track, and he's doing a pretty good job on some fairly stock equipment. Next thing I know, he's bought himself a little bit more modified lawnmower. He's gone up to a slightly bigger trailer. He's got himself a brand new truck. Now, he's gone up to a great big camper trailer that folds out the back. And 7.2. One thing I've learned, you'd say, well, why would you radar somebody on that? Well, my family and I, we have a great big pulling truck, and we go down, and one thing I'll tell you is the guy who goes down the track the furthest usually also goes the fastest. What does that tell you? How does that help you out? If you have the opportunity to change your gears while watching your competition go down the track, and you know how fast your machine will go, based on the gears that are in it, we can change the gears. We have what's called a quick change gearbox. These guys can't do this, so it's more of just a curiosity. However, the guy who's in the lead right now went 11.4 mile an hour. The guy who didn't get the lead went 7.3 mile an hour. 83. So in order to go, and it's too bad